How one transcends the three modes of material nature. And then, to that question, how one transcends the three modes of material nature, Krishna answers the question, Mamchayo apyavicharena bhakti yogena sevate sagunan samathityaitan brahma bhuyaya kalpate. This is towards the very last one or two verses before the end of the chapter. Here, Krishna is saying, Mamchayo avyavicharena bhakti yogena sevate sagunan samathityaitan brahma bhuyaya kalpate. How do you transcend sagunan samathityaitan atitaha gunan atitaha? How do you transcend the three modes of material nature? Krishna's method that he recommends is avyavicharena bhakti yogena sevate. Mamchayo avyavicharena bhakti yogena sevate. So, it is by unbroken devotional service unto the Lord. Avyavicharena bhakti yogena sevate sagunan samathityaitan brahma bhuyaya kalpate. Then you will come to the stage of Brahman, and if you have to interact with Krishna, you have to be on the plane of Brahman. You cannot interact with Krishna on a mundane plane. So, to come to the level of Brahman and to interact with Krishna, that is the adhikara you must have. And how do you get that adhikara? By sadhana bhakti, by bhakti yogena sevate, by doing devotional service. So, by doing devotional service, we come to the pure stage, then we will be able to do pure devotional service. That is why Rupa Goswami says, sadhana bhakti and Shuddha and Raganuga bhakti, the difference is like a green mango and a ripe mango. Both are mangoes. It's only mango. It's all mango. But initially it is green and may taste a little sour. But the same mango, when it is ripened, it becomes very tasty and sweet. So, devotional service in the sadhana stage, we may feel that, oh my God, I have to follow this rule, I have to follow that, I have to chant so many number of times. All these things we may find it little, not so very pleasant, but that is the nature of the treatment. But if we take the treatment, very soon we will get cured, and then we will develop a taste, and then we will start relishing the sweetness of the devotional act. So all of this is discussed in the 14th chapter of the Bhagavad Gita.